So here's our holiday meal, all ready to serve. And we have a stuffed squash that will be sliced into wedges for our group, a delicious rosemary gravy. There's extra stuffing, a quinoa stuffing with veggies in a casserole here that was warming as well. And we have Brussels sprouts and a kale wreath with red peppers to look like the berries. And we have a delicious cranberry ginger orange sauce. So good celebration that people will really enjoy. These recipes are from Cooking Vegan, which is the companion volume to Becoming Vegan Express Edition. And they're just delicious. So it's a fun thing to do on a holiday celebration, is creating a meal that people will enjoy, maybe doing it together with friends and family. It's a good activity to do together.